How to add debit or credit card on Instagram. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add any kind of debit or credit card on your Instagram account. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's begin. First thing first, you need to open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your correct account. And once you are logged in, all you need to do is tap on your profile section at the bottom right. And once you are here, all you need to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And from here, you just want to head over to your account center. Now under your account settings, you will find Meta Pay. Just tap on it. And once you do that, here you have an option to add a payment method. So under your payment method, you have an option that says add debit or credit card. So just tap on it. And here first you need to add your card number and then your expiry date, your CVV as well, and then your country, then your full name, your address, the address line too, it's optional, your town and city, your country and region, and finally your postcode. After you have entered all of these details, you can tap on save and that specific card will be added to your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.